Good afternoon, everyone. Wanting to reach out, let everybody know that Frankfort Toyota is going to be closing April the 6th through April the 20th. Due to the coronavirus, COVID-19, we're going to hopefully try to take care of all our employees, and we also want to take care of our valued customers through this time. Now, we understand that certain cars may have emergencies and you may need some help along the way while we're in this time period. We're going to be happy to get your car fixed. If you'll reach out to us, 502-695-1500. We're going to have people answering the phones from their home, and we will get the message to the appropriate people, get back in contact with you and get you back on the road. During this time period, we're also going to be online if you have any interest in looking at a car. So if you're doing research or you just think it's a good time to buy a car, please reach out to us. Again, at that number, 502-695-1500 or frankforttoyota.com. There's a lot of ways to get research done there. And you can also submit some online things for requests, and we will definitely get back to you for that. You know, Governor Beshear every day has been talking about green, talking about the families that have lost loved ones. And, so I wore my green shirt today. And we're going to be thinking about those people, and we're also going to be thinking about the ones that we lose in the coming weeks. So we just wanted to reach out, let you know that we are closing for a little bit of a time period, but we're also here for you still. We're going to be here. We're going to be in communication with you. All you got to do is reach out, let us know what you need, and we will come and take care of you. We're going to be abiding by Governor Beshear's request of curbside or coming to your house, getting you picked up and delivered, whichever is going to be more convenient for you. We are concerned about the safety of our employees, and we're concerned about the safety of our valued customers. So we're going to do everything we can. We're going to make sure that everything is the way it's supposed to be, and we're going to take care of you at the same time. If you have any questions, again, our number is 502-695-1500, and our website is frankforttoyota.com. Good night, and Kentucky strong.